Did you know that the food on your plate could be the key to reversing insulin resistance? Millions of people are walking around with insulin resistance and don't even know it, and yet, every single bite they eat is either helping them reverse it or making it worse. In this video, I'm going to show you the 8 best foods you should eat every day to reverse insulin resistance faster, and I'll explain exactly why they work, based on real science and clinical experience. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build your plate to fight back against high blood sugar and take control of your health. So first, a quick breakdown. Insulin resistance happens when your body's cells stop responding well to insulin, the hormone that moves glucose from your blood into your cells. Think of insulin like a key, and your cells like a locked door. Over time, if your body is exposed to too much sugar and insulin, those locks get rusty. The key still works, but it has to be forced harder and harder. Eventually, your pancreas can't keep up, blood sugar rises, and boom, you're at risk for prediabetes type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and more. But here's the good news. Insulin resistance is reversible, especially with the right food. So let's jump into the top 8 foods recommend to my patients every day. Number 1, leafy greens. Let's start with one of the most powerful tools, leafy greens. They're low in calories, packed with magnesium and fiber, and they actually help your cells become more insulin sensitive. Studies show that magnesium deficiency is linked to insulin resistance, and greens like spinach and chard are magnesium superstars. Plus, fiber helps slow the absorption of sugar, which keeps blood sugar steady after meals. Add 1 to 2 cups of leafy greens to your lunch or dinner every day, sautéed, in a smoothie or raw in a salad. Number 2, berries. They're sweet, yes, but they're different from refined sugar. Berries are rich in polyphenols, which are antioxidants that have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. In fact, one study showed that overweight people who ate blueberries daily had improved insulin response in just 6 weeks. They're also low glycemic, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar. Toss a handful into your morning oatmeal or Greek yogurt. Number 3, nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are little powerhouses. They're high in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all of which help slow digestion and reduce blood sugar spikes. Flax seeds and chia seeds are particularly good because they're loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, an anti-inflammatory omega-3 and lignans which may improve insulin action. Almonds and walnuts have also been shown to reduce inflammation. A key factor in reversing insulin resistance, add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed to your smoothie or yogurt. Snack on a handful of raw almonds daily. Number 4, resistant starch. Now here's something surprising. Some carbs can actually help reverse insulin resistance. Resistant starch is a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and acts like fiber in your gut. This means it helps feed your healthy gut bacteria and improves insulin sensitivity. Sources include green bananas, cooled potatoes, legumes, and oats that have been cooked and cooled. Try making a lentil salad, or pre-cook your potatoes and cool them before eating. Number 5, avocados. Avocados aren't just trendy, they're metabolic medicine. Rich in monounsaturated fats, they help reduce belly fat, lower inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. They also contain potassium and fiber, which are crucial for blood sugar balance. Add 1/4 to 1/2 avocado to your toast, smoothie, or salad daily. Number 6, non-starchy vegetables. These are your blood sugar's best friend. Non-starchy vegetables are low in carbs, high in fiber, and packed with antioxidants. Broccoli, in particular, contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has been shown to improve fasting blood sugar and protect against oxidative stress. Fill half your plate with non-starchy veggies at lunch and dinner. Number 7, fatty fish. Fatty fish are a goldmine for omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, protect the heart, and improve insulin signaling. Studies have shown that people who eat omega-3-rich fish have lower insulin resistance and better blood sugar control. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of fatty fish per week. If you don't eat fish, consider a high-quality omega-3 supplement. Number 8, legumes. Legumes are often overlooked, but they're incredibly powerful. They're rich in fiber, plant-based protein, and slow-digesting carbs, all of which help regulate blood sugar. They also help you feel full longer, which can reduce cravings and promote weight loss, both key factors in reversing insulin resistance. Try adding lentils to your soups, or make a bean salad for lunch. So why do these 8 foods work so well together? They reduce inflammation, improve gut health, feed good bacteria, help regulate blood sugar, support insulin receptors, help with weight loss, and they do all this without the need for extreme diets or expensive supplements. Let me tell you about one of my patients, a 42-year-old woman with prediabetes, fatigue, and belly weight. She started including these foods in her daily meals, swapping sugary snacks for berries and nuts, adding leafy greens, and having lentils for lunch. Within 3 months, her A1C dropped by 1.2 points. Her energy improved, and she even lost 10 pounds without medication. This is not magic. This is what real food can do when you know what to eat. Now here's what not to do. Don't rely on sugar-free junk. It still spikes insulin. Avoid refined carbs, white bread, pastries, sugary drinks. Don't skip meals. It can backfire and cause overeating later. Here's how you can start. Pick 2 of these foods and add them to today's meals. Gradually build a plate that looks like this. Half veggies, 1/4 lean protein, 1/4 slow carbs, like legumes or resistant starch. Add healthy fats like avocado or olive oil if you have belly weight, fatigue after meals, dark patches on your skin, or cravings. It's time to get tested. Ask your doctor for a hemoglobin A1C test and don't wait. The earlier you know, the easier it is to reverse. Insulin resistance is your body's cry for help, but it's also an opportunity. You don't need to starve yourself. You don't need to be perfect. Just start by eating the right foods, consistently. If you learned something new, hit that like button to support this channel. And if you want to know the early visible signs of insulin resistance or how to balance hormones naturally, check out this playlist right here. Your body is wise. It's telling you something. Listen to it, nourish it, and you'll see results. Stay curious, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.